When I asked you to do this photo shoot, what was the first thing you told me?
I say, hi Miguel, good luck, cause I don't know how to pose.
As a professional photographer, you need to help the models to teach them how to pose, okay? And one of the most important things is the meaning of the position of the arm. So I'm gonna give you 4 tips that is essential, the most important thing about posing, especially with beginners. The first thing that we need to understand is the angle of your arms. It's very, very important. You're gonna try to correct your bracelet like this. And I'm gonna take a picture of her. As her arms is 90 degrees, it gives a strong feeling, okay? I am strong, I am capable, okay? It's very, very common that men are doing the buttons or checking the watch just to be the 90 degrees with the arms, okay? If Inez open more a little bit her arms, we see that Inez is giving an image of, I am relaxed, I am comfortable. There you go, that's nice. If she closes less than 90 degrees, it will give the message that I need to be protected, I am girly, okay? She has 2 arms, so you can put one arm like this, okay, and the other one like this. So I am relaxed and I am taking care of me, okay? Beautiful. The 4th tip, it's very important that we actually can see the back line. At this moment, we don't see it, so I'm gonna take a picture like that. As you can see, we don't see the line of the back, but if she opens a little bit more, yeah, just a little bit, we can see the line of her back, and we can see the real Inez, okay? And that's it. This is the most basic poses that you need to know about the arms. A lot of models adore the bloom vintage effect, and the black mist filter from KNF Concept is the ideal for it. So,
You need to check over that. I am in it.